Hi YouTube, welcome to another video. We are going to look at how to find, download and install plugins to your OBS application. We will source the plugins directly from those available on the OBS forums. To get there, we will navigate over to obs.com. Once the page is loaded in, we must navigate over to the forums and then the plugin section. This will open up the plugin index where one will find a variety of plugins. I recommend you take some time to browse around and read up on what's available here, as it may offer some good insight on how you can expand or customize your OBS to suit your content and audience. I want to walk you through on how to install a very specific plugin, one that has been developed and published by Exeldro. For those who may not know, Exeldro is a software developer from the Netherlands who has earned the respect and appreciation of the OBS community through his many contributions to the OBS project. Much of these are plugins that have powerful features. If you hover over Exeldro's profile picture, this pop-up box will appear and you will see under resources there are 27 resources available at the time of this video. That number 27 is actually a clickable link, and if you click on that, it will take you to all the resources by Exeldro. One of the plugins that we will install will be the source doc plugin. If you click on it, it will take you to the page where it gives you all the information about this plugin. Downloading plugins from the OBS forums may vary from developer to developer. When you click on the download link on the top right corner, you will see that there might be several options available. These will depend on what operating system you are using. In my case, I'm using Windows, and there are two options available for the Windows user. The one is a Windows installer, and the other one is a zip package. Now, basically these two options are exactly the same, but the difference is the one will do some work for you. That is, if you trust the vendor, and the other one you must do the work yourself. I'm going to show you how to install a plugin by downloading the zip file, and we will download the zip file here. So go ahead and hit that download button. Pick a location where you want to save it and hit save. Once your download is completed, navigate over to the download folder and you will find the zip file with your new plugin. Simply double click on the file, and once that opens, you will see that there are two files, data and OBS plugins. You want to select both of those, right click and hit copy. Navigate over to your OBS installation, and once you're there, you will see the same two files, namely data and OBS plugins. We just want to right click and then paste. Once you do that, it will merge the files you've copied with your current files. If you have already done this before and you're perhaps installing a updated version of the plugin and you go through the same steps, if you right click and then hit paste, it's going to give you this dialog box asking you if you want to replace the files in the destination. You can just go ahead and click yes and replace all of those files, as it will not destroy your core files. It will only replace the plugin files and update those as needed. Now let's zip over to OBS. To find a newly installed plugin, you can look under the menu items under tools, and if we look down here, we will see that the source doc plugin is not available, and the reason for that is we need to restart OBS. Alright, OBS is now restarted, and if you navigate over to the menu items and you look under tools, you will find the source doc plugin listed here. Any other plugins that you installed will also be listed here under tools. That brings us to the end of this video. Please make sure to check out the other videos. If you have any questions or need support with the script, you are welcome to reach out in the forums. I will leave a link in the description below. I will also leave a link that will take you directly to the source doc plugin, as well as to Exeldro's resources. If you found this video useful, please consider to subscribe to the channel. It's free and it will help to grow the community. For those who have already subscribed, thank you, I appreciate you. I would love to hear from you, so come say hi in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.